Hey rock stars, my name is... No, just...
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is like a trendy little angel. I have to finish filming this video in like an hour, and normally when I film my videos, it usually takes like 4 hours just to film a makeup tutorial. So today we are doing quick, easy, last minute for all my last minute peeps out there, because I am very last minute. This is gonna be a great Halloween look because it's actually super easy, or at least what I'm planning in my head is gonna be super easy. I stopped at Party City actually and picked up these cute little angel wings, which I think are gonna be so cute. And then also this halo. It's a little cheap looking, but it also was like $3.99, so like I can't really complain about that. I also crashed my car this morning while I was on my way to Party City. Not a bad crash, knock on wood, but I ran into my garage opener. So that's kind of like how my day has been going today. But you know what, we're gonna turn it around. Make lemons into lemonade, honey. Make some angel wings out of just anything. Pretty much my plan is to do like a really pretty natural-ish glowy makeup look, and then add a ton of like sparkle and shimmer and glimmer and make it dope, you know? Honestly, Halloween this year just really came quick, and it kind of hit me hard. Like I didn't really expect it to come this quick, and then it's like here. So that's why we're stuck doing a little last minute look. I usually love Halloween makeup looks and tutorials and stuff. A lot of you guys were asking me if I was gonna do any this year, and I was really trying to, but it does get hard, especially this year, because I was working a lot on my Sigma launch and stuff like that. So my creative like juices, I feel like are a little blocked this year when it comes to Halloween. Halloween looks are just so, like, it really takes a lot to do them, you know? But I think my favorite Halloween look that I've ever done is the Dead Barbie I did last year. I kind of wanted to do like Dead Barbie Part 2, but again, I just needed more time and thought and everything to put into it. So maybe next year, we'll see. I'm just gonna lightly fill my brows. I don't want them to be too dark, just some definition. And I'm using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. All right, and then I'm just gonna clean that up with a bit of concealer to sharpen up the brows. You guys know these steps. And for this step, I'm using the Sigma Flat Definer. All right, then I'm gonna pop in these color contacts. This is from the brand Greedy Babe Cosmetics, and they're the 3-tone Mariska style. I think they're gonna be like a light blue. Ow! Oh. Ooh, wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, my eyes are kind of watering. Ugh. I haven't really used these, so I don't really know if I can recommend it, to be honest, you know? Who knows? I really hope that my eyes don't like get damaged from these somehow. I'm not really sure where they came from. I think the brand sent it to me like 2 years ago though, like a while ago. Oh, she is blue-eyed. Okay, girl. I am going in with some hydrating primer, and this one is the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. And then, you know what? We're just gonna go straight to the eyes, hop right into it. I thought I would use the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in the shade Icy Girl. It's this nice, bright white, like icy shade of white. And I'm actually using this as our base today. I wanted to keep the eye look really, really simple. All right, so I just put on a little bit of the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 10, and I'm just gonna blend that in. And this just cancels out discoloration a little bit. I think it's gonna make everything look a little lighter. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Icy Girl. So I just take it into the cap, put it right on my finger. I definitely feel like these apply best with the finger. And then go right onto the lid. This is such a pretty product too, because it almost has like, not a cream base, but it like sticks together and it doesn't fall off, even though it's, you know, like a really chunky reflective glitter. And then I'm just gonna take my E40 from my Sigma Roxette collab, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. This has a little bit of like a muted lilac shade on it, but I didn't pick up any extra product. And I'm not really trying to be like precise at all. I actually want it to look almost just like a wash of glitter over the lid. So really just blending it out and around the eye area. And then to amp it up just a little bit more, I'm gonna take this glitter from ColourPop. I hope you can see this. I hope this is not too bright. But it's a glitter from ColourPop. It's called Glitterly Obsessed, and it's in the shade Disco Lady. Disco Lady. It's actually really pretty. It's like, it almost has like, it's like very chunky. Ooh, oh, yes, yes. Just gonna take that and put it right on top. I would just say be careful not to put this product too close to the lash line because we are gonna be putting on false lashes, and the consistency of this product is like more like a gel, so it could prevent the false lashes from like adhering as well. Okay, it literally will like not come off of my hands. So for lashes, I'm gonna be using Level Up from Unscripted Beauty, which is my friend Crispy's like new brand, which is super, super exciting. But on top of that, these lashes are freaking fire, dude, okay? They are so, so good. I mostly have been using Level Up, and then for a different Halloween look I did, that one is just for Instagram though. I used Risky, and they were so bomb. Those are like really, really voluminous. These Level Ups are a little bit more on the like natural wispy side, but they are so comfortable. Like, I actually cannot believe how comfortable they are for still being like a pretty like dramatic style of lash. They have like actually like a cotton band, she was telling me, so that makes it really flexible, as you can see here. So that just makes it so that you can fit it on your eyes really well, and you don't have that problem of like the inner corner popping up or the outer corner popping up because the band is too stiff. So they're bomb. If you haven't checked it out, I know they sold out, but they're restocking. They should be restocked by the time this video goes up. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. They are fire. Fire! Fire! Anyways, so I'm gonna use that, but first, of course, I'm gonna prep my lashes by curling them and then popping on some mascara. And I'm purposely leaving the eyes very blank because I wanna keep that lightness in there. If I add too much, you know, like liner or too much shadow, it's gonna take away from like the light airiness of this. Plus, that just makes it a lot easier. So like win-win. And then me win, 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 win. Win, 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 win. Ugh, I'm so freaking weird. So fire. I can't get over it. Lashes on point. And then I always push up my lashes at the sides just to get like the most uplifted look and kind of like further adhere my natural lashes with the falsies. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl foundation, the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, and I'm using a little bit of a lighter shade, partly because I'm my winter shade now, and then also partly because I feel like for my angel look, I kind of want to do just like a slightly lighter shade than normal, not like white or anything, but just like a little bit on the lighter side. This monster has not disappeared from my face in quite a few days. It's making a little home there. Just making a nice even layer. This foundation is nice because it like actually blends out really nicely. So I'm gonna take my Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancers, and I usually take the shade 13 and color correct a little bit under the eyes, and this one is bomb for color correcting because it's a super full coverage concealer. So if you have like divots, do you see how I kind of have like those divots underneath my eyes? I just place this right in the divot to color correct and add like a layer of coverage under there. And then I just press that into the skin and kind of like blend it out with the Sigma 40 HD Precision brush. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 10. And this concealer has really good coverage to it. So you actually don't need to like, well, I still did go heavy, but you don't need to. It's a really nice formula. I've been using it a lot, and I like the applicator. You guys know I love a good large applicator. What I've been doing is actually bringing the concealer like higher, like almost in a straight line up towards my forehead because I have a rounder face. So what I've been doing, like I was saying, is like trying to highlight in an elongated shape so that it doesn't make it look as wide. She is full coverage. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream contour with this RCMA foundation palette. And I usually use like these shades, so I think I'm gonna go maybe up here, buffing that into the skin. And I always apply this in like upwards motions like this. All right, and then I'm just gonna set everything down, and I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, pressing it into the skin right underneath the eyes to start the baking process. And then I also like to take a little bit of the powder and go over my cheeks where I'm gonna apply bronzer and just a little over the forehead. All right, bronzer time, and I'm gonna use this NARS palette. This is the Make Up Your Mind palette, and this is actually Laguna bronzer, but I love this palette because, that was when I was supposed to be finished. I love this bronzer because it really, really is, you know, a versatile bronzer. And on top of that, the palette comes with like eyeshadows, blushes, great palette to travel with. I've been going everywhere with it. Just a light snatch up bronze. And of course, using my F27 Iconic Bronze, best bronzer brush. It makes me so happy. A lot of you guys are like just starting to get your brushes and sharing them on your stories and everything, and it just literally makes me so, so, so happy. So, keep doing it. And I've also actually been using that to contour as well. And then same NARS palette, I'm gonna take this blush shade up here, which is Luster, one of my favorite blushes that they make. I'm just gonna dust that onto the cheeks. Has like a peachy corally undertone too. So I'm just gonna take that powder and kind of press it into the skin, wipe any excess away. Okay, you guys, legit, this is like one of the fastest things I've ever filmed. And I feel like it's such a cute little angel Halloween look. All right, for highlight, I thought I would use this Dose of Colors Supreme Glow. It's actually like a lavender highlight, but I thought it was really pretty. It's in the shade Dream On, and I'm gonna apply that with my Sigma Roxette F42 strobing fan. Ooh, look at that, it looks so good. Okay, girl, Angel Rox is here to slay. Okay, this highlight is bomb. I'm just gonna add a little bit to the inner corner. Okay, we are really moving through this quickly. The one thing that I did want to do is take that same glitter. You can actually use this on your face or your eyes, which I love. Oh, actually, they don't even recommend to use this on your eyes, but I did. It's supposed to be a body glitter, and then oops. So I'm gonna take a little bit more and actually put this on the cheeks because I thought it'd be cute to kind of, you know, obviously we have the base highlighter down, but to almost kind of have this like chunky glitter. Why is this kind of like Coachella vibes, like Halloween Coachella vibes, you know? So easy to do though, and I think it looks really cute. You almost wanna like connect it here just so that everything blends together really nicely. All right, I'm just gonna take some mascara and put this on my bottom lashes. This is the NARS Climax Mascara Little Baby version. And then I'm gonna take these little guys from Michaels. These are actually dope because they already have like a sticky back, so you don't really have to, you know, like mess around with them too much. They're actually really, really nice and easy to use. So I'm gonna take the middle size and just pick them up with my tweezer and just place it right under the eye. Boom! Just gonna hydrate it up with the LC Cosmetics Hydra Enhancer. Look how much I've used of this. Like, I go through this stuff like crazy. I love it. Just makes my skin super fresh and dewy looking. So next I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever color pencil, Artist color pencil. These are actually cool because you can use them anywhere on your face. But I'm gonna take this and just line the waterline lightly. I probably should have done this before mascara, but I low-key forgot. So here we are. So I'm gonna use ColourPop Beeper Lippy Pencil. I love the formula of these because they're so creamy. Alrighty, and then for the lip color, I'm gonna take Stripped from stripped lipstick from MAC. This I think was part of their Nicki Minaj collection, but anything that's like a light pink will work because we're just gonna go on top of this. And I love the combination of these two products, like this lip liner with this lipstick. It's so bomb. Ooh, why am I getting vibes of when like all the Kardashians did like Victoria's Secret angels, low key. But there we go. Angel goodness, super quick, super easy. I can't get over this little halo. I think this is such a cute look. And obviously for those of you who are just on top of your game and have like bomb Halloween costumes already, you know, you might think that this is a little basic, but I feel like this is such a cute look if you are looking for a last minute costume. Most of us probably have like a white dress and like a silver necklace that we can throw on, pick up some little angel wings. These were like 30 bucks, so I don't think they, you know, they're not too bad. And they're actually like pretty good quality, I would say. And then this was like $3.99, so not expensive at all, and it's a super cute last minute easy little Halloween costume. So hope you guys like this video. I literally have to leave so bad, like I'm so stressed right now, but I hope you guys love this video and love this look. I actually really like it. I think I might be this for like one of my Halloween parties now, just saying. But yeah, love you guys so much. Remember, you are beautiful inside out, and I'll see you next time.